This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable restricted mode in the TikTok app using a mobile device. I will be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got the TikTok app opened up on my phone here. To enable restricted mode, the first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Now you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. And from here you will tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you will scroll down to where you see it says Digital Wellbeing. Tap on that. And then next to where it says Restricted Mode, you want to tap on that. Then you will tap on Turn On. Now you will type in a passcode, which you need to remember that passcode. Then you'll tap on Next. Then you'll confirm that passcode. Then you'll tap on Set. Now restricted mode has been enabled on your TikTok app. Thanks for watching.